Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment, enable GD test mode in settings, and switch to the sandbox. You do this so real users and data remain untouched. It isolates side effects. Once done, sign in with a dedicated test account and load the project snapshot. Make sure to export current configs and create a quick backup. This prevents accidental overwrites. Now you're ready to run the first isolated test case and observe behavior without risking production systems. You proceed by executing detailed tests, run automated suites, and step through debugging to watch state transitions live. Use simulated inputs and edge case data. For example, feed malformed packets or zero-length values to expose failures. Also emulate latency and partial connectivity to see retry logic. Once done, collect logs and error traces and tag each run with a timestamp or ID so you can compare runs. This helps you pinpoint where and why behaviors die. You finish by promoting validated changes to staging or reverting using the backups you made earlier. This preserves safety. Then run a final smoke test with realistic data and authentication to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting approach. Inspect the most recent logs for error patterns, roll back to the last known good snapshot, and isolate the module causing failures. Once isolated, add a focus test to reproduce the issue. Fix it and rerun the full suite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.